and they are looking like a brand new now. I get the big box. Let's repair together. So there should have a steering rack for my T4. I'm from Finland. Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. First, I revealed my ego. I hope this is correct part and can fit. So here is several parts. I have a steel brake plate and I'm very excited with this piece. This is rebuilt hydro. So wheel bearings. Here is this better quality bolt in this bearing. This is another set, have hexagon bolt. I think this is not very good choice, this bolt. Okay, let's see what else I got with the post. This comes from Poland. This is a bolt joint removal tool. And one more box. Belt adjusting tool. Not any instruction, but I think the instruction might found from the books, service book. Hello, welcome to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start to painting doors and sliding door and tailgate and hood. But I'm also going to a little bit clean these tank straps and heat covers of the exhaust pipe. So I'm going to take them to re-zinc coating because there is some rust and these are quite good condition. I listen many times, guys, you throw this away because they are making big noise. I'm going to drill out these rivets and a little bit scrapping off this underbody compound here, and then I try to take them to one company if they able to make a re-zinc for me. Those guys, they will know that what should do for this, for get the nice clean coating and rust protection. Let's scrapping this. I'm not going to change them new because these are original. They sure good quality and they are not rotten yet. They have just minor corrosion. If make a new coating, they last next 40 years. I think this one is okay. I try this is my favorite tool. This is enough before coating because they will cleaning it with acid. Okay, this one is ready for take to the coating. So I think I need to drill out those rivets and can separate them so it's easier to re-zinking. These are two big parts. Then I have to scrap out this underbody coating. My mu meter, I don't know what is in English, mu meter doesn't work, so I cannot check the original coating. First I thought these are aluminium, but when I see they have rust, so I checked with the magnet. So these are basic sheet metal with the zinc coating. Yeah. So I think there's no bends. There is also one piece like this. This is some kind of composite plastic. I don't know, but I need to drill out this one piece. It's a very strong rivet. Let's try this. I hate rivets. There is also one bolt which I welded new already in the floor, grinding it off. Yeah. Okay, so I'm a little bit cleaning those parts and then I take them to zinc coating. Let's check what the post bring me today. I think here is just the one brake plate. Okay, yeah, why did it give me this same time? Yeah, now I have both sides. Here should have a T5 rear spring. I don't have any idea, is this correct size for me? But they are quite... These I have on my car. And these are shorter than I don't believe I can use this. It's too short. These are some lowering spring. I think maybe I need to send this back. The problem with these parts are always where you can lock them so you can paint them easy and working with them. So this sliding door I have to paint it up in a chair like this, and it's quite hard to paint under here, but I think it's possible to do. I have this bench for the doors. These are quite not very strong. Tailgate I lock with this. It's very heavy. I hope it can handle that. I don't put Bondo here, but I try to little bit take up those dents. And I need to paint same time this our original fuel tank lid, and I think it's quite nice. Okay, first piece bushing is done. Here is this marks which shows what way you have to press it in, and have a little bit scratch there, but it's not quite bad. I can cleaning it and a little bit touch up painting. And another way bushing is also like that. I give it to some shop do for me because I don't have hydraulic press and I don't need to buy it for this job because this is not so often which I need to do. There is a G-part stickers, 1 centimeter higher stop bushings for front axle and lifting kit parts. Yeah, and this lifting rubbers. So now I have a different variation for which I can use, because in a picture I couldn't see. I think they are small. Ah yeah, this is for the deep lowering kit. That's it in this box. I want to do here some joint sealant. Original this door don't have, but I want to put here where is deep corrosion. So it's, I don't know, maybe it's not help anything, but maybe it's looking nicer. I didn't do this job already several years, so I don't know how I can do it. Maybe it's not looking good, but I need to try. So then I need a little bit fixing it. It's not very nice yet. In the corners, you can just wiping it out like this. Then it's like almost like a factory made. And then here I need to some places try to put it a little bit down. My nozzle not correct, and So when we put the cavity wax inside there, it's gonna feel all the way down and draining out from the corner holes. One door which we sandblasted is rusty like this because it's in the rust between two metal sheets, and if I little bit tapping it with the hammer, then the rust comes out. So now I'm going to put here some joint sealant and then that Dinitrol ML oil-based cavity wax inside the door, so then this joint can a little bit fill with that oil. But anyway, it's gonna rust. It's not gonna stop us keep driving if there is a little bit rust flowers. And what we get today, we get brickwork company, some parts. I get some bolts. These bolts are for the wheel bearing, and this is original style bolt. And there are some gear linkage parts, and these nuts are for the torsion bar nuts. And you see this coming with the FedEx, this box. It came here only 2 days. I make an order Monday and now it's Wednesday morning. And here is some wiper arm bearings, and is it big like this? Yeah, it should be. Torsion bar bolts, some rubber, obviously it comes off from here. The new wiper motor, nice clean new parts. And this was only like something like under 30 euro, I think so. It's very cheap. I bought for my Cadillac wiper motor.
มอเตอร์ปัดน้ำฝนนะจ๊ะ
Which some guy rebuilt. It cost over 500 euro just to rebuild.
มันมาทำงานจ้ะ
Wiper motor, and I took it off 2 times. First he changed to another one, and then I take out myself for repair once again.
เฮ็ดใหม่คือเก่าจ้ะพี่น้อง500ด้วยจ้ะนี่ค่าเฮ็ด
And door check strap. One door check strap. Quite hard for me to say that. I want to put a new for driver's side. And I don't know, is it this correct part for my car linkage? And what is here? Fuel unit. Some guys, they tell they have a leaking here and then it's get the air. So better put the new one, it make a big rebuild. And as you see, we get some bushings installed already, our rear control arms. Shortly we can start to install them in the car. I get these exhaust heat seals from the Re-zinced, and they are looking like a brand new now. Very nice shiny zinc plate. This piece was a little bit rusty, this big piece. If you see there is a tiny hole there, but it's not the problem. This piece was more rusty than another one. Inside is very clean. And another parts, they are like brand new now. Have to mounting them very properly so they don't make a big noise, not rattling there. This piece was a little bit bent, but it's okay now. And also those fuel tank straps, I make them new zinc also, so I don't need to buy cheap copy ones, and I don't need to worry about for they rotten. This door was very rusted here, corroded here and down, and I yesterday put this joint sealant here, and then I put this oil-based cavity wax, and you see it's coming down from the draining holes, and here you see where was some tiny holes, and the cavity wax came out from there. So now this joint should be full of cavity wax. I don't know, possible see inside this joint is full of that wax. So the purpose is it's closed 100% for the water, so the rust would still be inside. Maybe it's not activated. So when it's get the moisture, then it start to corrode it again.
Okay, that's it for this video. I'm going to end this here. There was a lots of several different things what we make in this video, but next episode I promise we will paint these lids and doors and tailgate. So let's see in next episode. Thank you. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.
I cannot straightening these sheet metals very well. I don't have any puller tool, so I just use some bar from the cavities to lifting up those places, but I don't use Bondo here anyway.